Hey guys, welcome back to bhollisbrand. I'm back to show you now that I've got my leather scraps and my soles down on my leather with a barge glue. Now I'm going to be cutting my scraps out to show you how I going to put them down on my brown leather. So get starting to cut them out, and I'm going to be quiet as I do this and come back if I have another point to make with this. Oh, here is the sandal scrap that I've just cut out, and my veggie tan is on the back. I could have painted the veggie tan a dark brown, but I'm out of my brown pro dye, so I decided to see how it looks with just putting the veggie tan down on my brown leather. So we're going to see how that comes out. And what I'm going to do is burnish all this to make it smooth and even, and burnish the edges and sand them down. But I'm going to put it around my shoe last so you can see how it will look. Plus the shoe last will give it the bend that it needs, so I can see how it will look. So look, and I'm going to have a bigger scrap on top, but I will show you that once I get it cut out. So if you can see how that looks. So let me keep cutting. I'm gonna cut a bigger scrap out next so you can see how it looks. I let this glue my veggie tans stay onto my leather for a long time today. I took my hammer and pressed down on it. I let it stay on for a good while today, outside in the sun, so it'll bond. Probably let it stay longer than I should have, but it seems like it's very, very tight. So here's my veggie tan, and here is my brown leather. Like I said, I'm gonna clean this up to make it look much neater, but I wanted to show you how it bends and how well it does. So let me show you how this part will look on the shoe last as well. And what I'll probably do is take the some brown paint and go around the edges before I burnish and smooth that out. This will look. once I put it on the shoe last. Alright guys, hope you can see that. Try to lift it up here. Hope you can see that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish cutting my sandal scraps and my insoles out, and I will come back and show you my next steps. Alright guys, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.